'Cause I dropped your hand while dancing, left you out there standing, Chris falling on the landing, champagne problems, bombs running in pocket, your heart was glass, I dropped a champagne problem. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Cornificent back here with your guitar interpretations. Today we're doing Champagne Problems by Taylor Swift, okay? As you already have noticed, I'm terrible with the lyrics, but we're doing the tutorial for the chords, so that's no problem, okay? So this is a very easy song. We're playing it in open tuning. You don't even need a capo for it. You just need to know your 4 basic chords, which are C, G, and then A minor to F. So C to G, A minor, F. Okay, now for my strumming pattern, I'm using this is just down, 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 down. This is the one that really goes with the way the piano is being played. Okay, but you obviously have your own pattern for it, and you can always, like improvise. If you want to pluck, you can play C. So I'm playing the bass note, and then I pluck strings 4, 3, 2, 1. Right, so you alternate, right? Bass, pluck, bass, pluck, bass, pluck. So now these are the chords for the verse, the chorus, pretty much the whole song. I haven't gotten to, the bridge, if there is a bridge, but it sounds like that's the whole song. And then there's like a bass. This is just on your string number 4, you play 5, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 3, okay? Which could be string number 3, and then 3, 2, 1, 3, 2 open on string number 4, okay? And that's basically it. If you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using, you can check out my chord video. It's on this channel. If you can't find it, let me know. I will link it in the comment section below. But these are your chords. Just C, G, C, G, A minor, champagne problem. I'm just waiting for the bridge to come up in case the chords kind of change there. Alright, that's pretty much the whole song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And let me know in the comment section below any other new songs that you need me to check out. Peace.